I don't know if you can see, but y'all, it is snowy. It is snowy. We are going to enjoy some snowy weather for these couple of days. And yeah, I'm super happy about it because in the part of North Carolina that we are in, it hasn't seen snow in a couple of years. So super excited about it. I don't even think Orion has saw snow one time, but he was barely walking. Anyway, guys, we're going to enjoy this snow. Look at it.
My bike is free. Like this.
It's what?
My bike is free.
It's frozen.
Yeah, two bikes are frozen.
It's frozen.
Look at power.
It look like a what, bud?
I ate a carrot.
It's like a carrot. Look at the bush over here. Look, it's frozen, guys. Look, it's frozen. Feel it, Harmony.
It's so cold.
It's so cold. This whole bush is frozen. Oh my gosh. When you pull it, it comes off. Look, pink, pink. Nice. Harmony's not feeling too good. Mama, Pumpkin, you okay? Okay. Harmony's not feeling good, so I'm about to take her in the house.
I can't get that far because it's snowing. Mommy, I'm done playing that side.
You done?
Yeah. I know Mama told Mama how to drink orange juice.
And drink some orange juice? Okay. Well, guys, I am sick. I've been sick for some days now, and it's just been awful. I have the flu. And unfortunately, my daughter's whole class got the flu. And yeah, we've been sick. And I must say that I'm thankful because only me and Harmony has it or got the flu. But my mom and Orion was fine. And I think that that's because most of the time Harmony is with me, meaning like she sleeps here on Peach. And my son loves my mom, so he's kind of mostly always in the house with her. And but yeah, we got the flu. And y'all, I have been so sick. I don't recall ever being this sick before, except for one particular time. But y'all, this sucks so bad. Right now, I'm kind of in the coffin stage. Not coffin stage, but coughing stage. Excuse me. Yeah, but it sucks so bad, guys. It does. My throat hurts. And I'm thankful that I didn't I'm thankful that I'm thankful for a lot of things. One of my cousins was supposed to have a baby shower this past weekend and it got canceled, and I'm super happy about it because I didn't find out that we had the flu until Sunday. So I'm super glad that it got, and I didn't start exhibiting any signs of the flu until Sunday. So I'm super glad that it got canceled. That way, um, I wouldn't be spreading it, or we wouldn't be spreading it unknowingly, you know? And also, I work from home, so I didn't have to, as long as I have my voice, I have my job, you know? So I'm super happy that I didn't, I didn't forgot what I was about to say. I'm so sleepy. I took some NyQuil, so I'm probably gonna knock out here soon. But I just kind of wanted to get on here and say, yeah, it sucks being sick. It sucks being sick in a small space because you don't really have many places to go. Um, it is good that we are at my mom's so we can utilize her house. But for the most part, I've been staying in my bus. For the most part, Harmony has been staying here in Peach too, but um, she's further along in the whole flu symptom thing than I am. She got it first, well, in her class, and then I got it afterwards. So yeah, she's further along in the relief of symptoms than I am, but I am struggling so bad with this. Um, and like I said, I took NyQuil, so that's kind of why I'm ready to go to sleep. But I just wanted to come on here and acknowledge that. Also, my niece had a gender reveal, and you guys, we thought that she was gonna have a little girl, but she's actually gonna have a little boy. But we're still hoping for a little girl. It's so funny. But anyway, I feel like I'm talking out of my head. I don't know why it's so hard to record yourself when it's time to like press play. I feel like I don't be having nothing to talk about when I'm on camera. But if I'm not on camera, my mind just be rolling and I be having 1,000 thoughts going through my head and 1,000 things to talk about. But anywho, I do recommend one thing. If you are in a small space and are sick in a small space, I recommend like a whole lot, like buying a whole lot of the Lysol spray. That way you can spray everything down. It really matters. And it really works at fighting off germs. What else do I recommend? And also having like having a sick child is not fun at all. Because you just kind of want to like take it from them, because it's like you shouldn't be carrying this burden of being sick. But she's building up her little immune system, so I guess I can't be mad at that. We all have been building up our immune system since Harmony has been going to school. And that's one of the things that I was kind of worried about as well. Is her not wanting her to get sick. And it's been like a never ending thing. One time um it was she had pneumonia. One time she had pneumonia. My dog just crawled up here and just got comfortable. I'm so sleepy. Anyway, guys, I'm about to turn it in. I love you, Bloomies, so much. But I took some NyQuil and I'm not used to drinking. So already it has me feeling like woozy. Oh my goodness. Anyway, guys, peace. I hope I get to feeling better.